feels so weird. I can actually feel my chin. Man, this is crazy. Since 2013 or 2012, this is the last time that I was actually able to see my Adam's apple without moving my beard out of the way. And now I will go ahead and line up my cheek line. I have found my trusty pencil, and we're gonna go ahead and I'm going to mark where I wanna trace around for my cheek line just to clean it up. So, and again, I go from the front of my sideburn and kind of do a nice gradual curve to my mustache. There we are, so we have that line right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to the other side. Again, front of the sideburn, down to the mustache. And I'm keeping everything really gradual today. All right, so now I'm going back and forth, making sure both of my curves line up. All right, so now what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna grab my small razor and I'm just gonna pluck away. That side's good. Let me wet this and I'm gonna get this side over here. Get the nose on this side. All right, time to wash this off, and then we're done for the day. Mission accomplished, I guess. Here's the after. Not too shabby, and like I said, I'll probably bring this up a tad bit, make my mustache a little shorter. Maybe, it's all hypothetical right now. I just have to feel it out. I have to get used to I'm still in shock right now. Now my question to you, do you like the before with the long beard, or do you like the after, or does it not matter? It's like each one has their pros and cons. I want to hear your thoughts, so please leave them in the comment box below. I'm quite curious to see what your thoughts are. So here we go. Here is the full turnaround. Do you want to know what the real struggle is? Let me show you. Now to do the cleanup.